Hi and welcome. This is Sally Terry. Today we're going to use the Terry Twist templates. We're going to use them symmetrically. Most of you know the Terry Twist as being a very, very forgiving asymmetrical pattern and design. Well, today we're going to turn it all around and make it symmetrical as we do a corner and a border. All right, we are going to do the teardrop shape using the Terry Twist template rulers instead of making the asymmetrical design you are probably really familiar with. So we're going to radiate around this corner and using the 3-inch ruler first. So we'll make one horizontal, one diagonal, and one vertical teardrop shape. Then, to make it easier, right here you see I'm lining it up with the etched guidelines already put onto that ruler, so it's going to be perfect. And you'll see that they look kind of dirty. Well, that's because I put fabric adhesive on both sides of the ruler, and that helps you keep it steady, yet you can adjust it if you need to. Okay, all right, now we are in the corner and we're going to stitch the shape, and we're just repeating these shapes on the outer edge, getting that pin out of the way. We're going to go around and just meet up with the other teardrop shape that we have in there. You can see the line that we've put. And now I'm going to go back and take the 3-inch ruler, and I'm going to create a negative space, because when I'm stitching my feathers on the spine that we had just stitched in there, I will be putting the feathers up against that shape. So it's really, really easy. All you're doing is taking these shapes and adding them as you go, and because they are so interlocking and they nest really well, it's so easy to use them in different sizes and at different angles, and they all seem to work together. I'm just feathering toward the corner, and I'm staying on the one side of that seam till I get to the very point of the corner. This might be a little slower for you because I did actually speed up the other one a bit. So now we're going to do it on the other side of that mitered corner. And here you'll see I went backwards. It doesn't matter. Now I've got to come back, and now I'm on the right side of that spot. Now, if you had stitched down a spine or whatever, you could travel back. Here I broke my thread. Now I'm going to be on the other side, and the edges of the feather are going to bump up against that 3-inch shape that we just chalked in. And there you have it. Right down that spine. What I've done is taken that teardrop shape and I've flipped it. So the heavier end, the more round end, one time is at the bottom and then the other time it's at the top. So the space in between is the Terry Twist. So it's asymmetrical. And what I've done is just filled it in, and then I went in again and outlined it. But the beauty of it is, since the template extends beyond that 6 inches, it actually goes, I think, to 7 1/4. It was really easy to go ahead and make that shape. It all fit and it looked uniform, and it was really easy to work with. thanks. I enjoyed sharing how to use the Terry Twist symmetrically as a teardrop shape in your next border. Try it. I think you'll be really, really happy with it. This is Sally Terry.